Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nurse Patience. In today's video, we're talking about 7 horrible things that can happen to you when you kiss. Here are some reasons why you wouldn't want to dip your tongue into someone else's mouth, as this can set your whole body for a disaster. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning viewer yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, as you will be getting amazing content from this channel. Once a new video is up, you'll be the first to get a notification about it. Also, do well to drop comments on this video or also like this video. So back to the topic of discussion. Here are some reasons why you wouldn't want to dip your tongue into someone else's mouth, as this process alone can set your entire body system for disaster. If you're a boy, if you're a girl, if you're a man, you're a woman, you need to watch this. Even if you are married and you're having other affairs outside, you need to watch this, as this could set your whole body for a disaster and have a long lasting effect on you. One of the horrible things that will happen to you is, first, you would be exposed to nasty bacteria. Bacteria are being transmitted, or the mouth is one major route of transmission of infection, bacterial infection, because the mouth is of closer proximity to the respiratory tract and also the digestive system. So any form of bacteria that the individual already have lying in these two places, when they tend to kiss an uninfected individual, this individual become open to this bacteria, which can also make that individual to have the same medical condition that such a person have. The second one is, it can spread viruses like mononucleosis and meningitis. Mononucleosis, also known as kissing disease. Yes, it is kissing disease. Why? Because this virus is being spread, or the microbes in mononucleosis is being spread through kissing. And the major symptom of mononucleosis is persistent fatigue and sore throats, general body unwellness, which is malaise, for individuals who have this particular infection. It is as a result of kissing. So mononucleosis, if you are experiencing persistent weakness and you've kissed someone recently, it could be that you're having mononucleosis. And for meningitis, meningitis can either, we have two different types of meningitis, which is the bacterial or viral meningitis. So for the bacterial meningitis, it can be spread through kissing, and meningitis affects the meningeal layer of the brain. The meninges are the lining of the brain, and once there's meningitis, there's inflammation of these meninges, which protects our brain. So please do yourself well by not dipping your tongue into anyone's mouth that you just are getting acquainted to. The third point here is, you can actually get infected with STI. Through kissing, a lot can happen. Microbes that are responsible for gonorrhea, syphilis, herpes, and even the human papilloma virus are being transmitted through kissing, through saliva. So you need to take caution for what you are doing with that person you are just getting to know, or that individual you do not know very well, as this can set your whole body for a disaster. Like I said, most times most individuals have already made their mind that sexually transmitted infection is only gotten through sex, but I'm telling you in this video that those microbes that are responsible for this sexually transmitted infection can be in the mouth and can be transmitted from one person to another via kissing. So you can have an STI just from an innocent kiss. The fourth horrible thing that kissing can do to an individual is it can lead to cold sore. What is cold sore? Cold sore is a fluid blister that is found around the mouth. That's the surrounding area of the mouth. For most individuals, they will tell you that it's fever sign. But if you check very well, for individuals that are in their reproductive age, if you check very well, they kissed somebody and that's kissing that have gone wrong. Cold sores are caused by herpes virus, and these can be transmitted through kissing too. So if you go kissing somebody who has herpes virus, if that person should transmit herpes virus to you, it can also present as those blisters that you see around your mouth. The fifth horrible thing that kissing just anyone can do to an individual is it would expose you to blood-borne disease or blood-borne viruses like HIV. HIV, we all know, is a terminal disease, although most people who have HIV, it's not written in their face that okay, this individual have HIV. So whenever you want to kiss someone, you need to have all those things, all the seven horrible things that can actually happen to you just from an innocent kiss. So how is HIV transmitted via a mere kiss? You people might want to say mere kiss. An infected person is having a tear on their gum, and you, who is the innocent one, or before you people met, you brushed your teeth, and maybe you were not too careful in brushing your teeth, and you got a little tear on your teeth, or maybe in the process of flossing you did it aggressively trying to floss your teeth, you did and blood came out, that's you injured yourself. Any little tear or any little wound in the mouth of an uninfected person with an HIV, with a HIV positive person, and these two individuals meet, the chances that the uninfected person would have HIV is very high because there is already a tear in the mouth, and these individuals, who knows, during the process of the kissing they might be very violent or they might not be gentle about it, and this maybe they might be biting of tongue, and if there's biting of tongue, of course blood will be exchanged, and once blood is exchanged, guys, it will take the grace of God for such an individual not to actually have HIV. At that point, most individuals will be wondering, how did I get it? How did I get it? It could be from just a mere act of an innocent kiss. So kissing just anyone or putting your tongue into someone else's mouth can actually expose you to a lot that you can ever imagine, a lot that will cost you in your lifetime. And that's why I have provided you with this video to be able to save you from that disaster. All right, the sixth horrible thing that can happen to you when you kiss just anyone is you can have an allergic reaction. Yes, by allergic reaction, what do I mean? Let's say there are some substance you are sensitive to. For some individual, they are sensitive to peanuts, that's groundnut. They are sensitive to it. And there are other products in which individuals can be sensitive to. Say, for example, some individuals are sensitive to milk, which is lactose intolerance. So, individuals who have kiss an individual who have just ate something you are sensitive to, you might actually have an allergic reaction. This allergic reaction could be hives. You can have hives. You can have shortness of breath. You can have rash on your skin. You can have a lot of reactions, allergic reactions. This could just be from a mere kiss. For some of these individuals who have allergic reaction, it could be that bad. For some, theirs is mild, but some have very severe allergic reaction. For some of those that have severe allergic reaction, it could even cost them their life or would cost them a huge sum of money. So from just kissing, you can actually put your life on the line by doing that. The seventh horrible thing you'll be doing to yourself when you just kiss anyone is it can actually cause you cavities. What is cavities? Individuals who have tooth decay, all these cavities or dental plaque are as a result of bacteria. And the first point I mentioned about the seven horrible things that just kissing could do to an individual is it exposes one to nasty bacteria. So these bacteria, cavities or plaques are caused by bacteria. And those bacteria are there in the teeth and in the mouth of these individuals. So you are who is going to kiss an individual who have cavities or dental plaque or tooth decay as a result of bacteria have already exposed yourself 100% to those bacteria that are affecting that individuals, and as such those bacteria will be transmitted to you and they will start acting on your teeth, acting on your mouth, and we in no time, if not treated or if not properly managed, you too would have cavities and dental plague, which would be a replica of what have happened to that person in which you have kissed. So these are the seven horrible things that you can actually expose yourself to from just an innocent kid. Tell me what you think about the seven things that have been outlined. They are more than seven, but these are the major vital ones that I've just brought to your notice. Also, if you are yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and you can also give this page a thumbs up.